Hello brothers and sisters, this is Cheyenne, Loving Warrior for Christ, and I just wanted to share something with y'all. Yesterday while I was talking to someone on the phone, my phone had like this weird sound, like a demonic sound come through the phone. Me and the person I was talking to both heard the sounds. Then the phone gets disconnected, and then I see this demonic photo that I didn't have downloaded on my phone. It was popped up on my phone, which is very strange. And I just thought I'd share that with y'all. We were talking about the return of Jesus Christ when this happened, and it was just really bizarre. I also noticed that the temperature was at 66 degrees and is at 1:11 in the morning, which, you know, the numbers are kind of weird and awkward. But I thought I'd share that with y'all. And also I was wondering if anyone else is experiencing weird and bizarre things, you know, with their phone. This isn't the first time. I have other videos about this kind of stuff. I actually had to replace a phone because the other phone I had was getting so bad that I had to you know, return it in and get a new phone. That might be time for me to do it again, I don't know. But I just thought I'd share that with y'all, and God bless you all. Alright, bye-bye.